Good evening, my name is Sandra Hernandez Mesa. I am 34 years old, study business administration, and I live in Bogota. Today I want to share the story of a dear friend and how she overcome difficulties and fulfilled her dream. Her name is Johanna, but I call her Nana. She's my cousin. In fact, when she was a child, my mom used to take care of her when her mom was busy working, so we grew up together, although she is much younger than me. But for my older brother and for me, she will be always considered a little sister. Nana is only 20 years old, and she is an environment engineer, and her dream was always to study abroad, but due to the lack of economic resources and job opportunities in Colombia, she thought that maybe she would not be able to achieve it. The only day looking for in different platforms found an opportunity to do her master's degree in the country. I have never seen her so excited about something. I think that just by having for that opportunity made her feel very happy. She started preparing all the necessary documentation for the process. Then Nana did an interview what happening, why on any problem. After 4 weeks, she still did know the results until one day and heard my cell phone ringing, and I saw it was her. It did not cross on my mind that maybe the call was to tell me that she had been accepted, and very soon she was going to her master degree to the Asian continent. Will I then way everything happening? No long ago, Nana went to a life and new adventure. I miss her so much. But I know that Nana is fulfilling her dream. She is learning and know a new culture in another country. I know she is coming to Colombia next year. She has told me that she will be my gift wearer. I only hope to see her with the green smile that she always has on her face. We watch in their tours. This is the story that I like to share because I feel so proud of my younger sister and how she fulfilled her dream despite everything. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye.